Let us move from getting to know Big Joe to Alexander the hobbyist. What were the first few hobbies that you tried na nawala, tas unsa karon yung mga talaga nag-stick with you?
Number one is photography.
And this was when? Kano sa ka nagsulat?
Elementary days ko.
Elementary days, Jod.
Yes.
Pero sa bagay, it was filmed during that time.
Yeah, kasi I was waiting kasi I'm around 1 hour kasi ang film development.
Yes, yes.
So, before, while waiting for the film to be developed, punta lang din ako doon sa may Rizal Park, sa unahan doon, sa ano ba yun ngayon? Osmeña.
San Pedro Square?
Yeah, parang dyan yung may eagle nga. Ano nga tawag
San
dyan?
Pedro Square?
Ayan. Nandun yung mga rentahan ng comics.
May comics pa nung time.
Yes.
Sige, sige.
Basa ako comics. So, an hour.
Oo.
So, that was 24 cents. Super comic. Yung mga action.
Mars Travel, mga ganyan.
Iba kasi talaga, no? You can create something that's
It's like ordinary.
Not an ordinary picture of any day activity. Kasi ang dami nagsasabi. Meron akong isang tito-tituhan. Not tito-tituhan, but I really do consider him as my uncle. Though we're not blood related, no? Si Tito Pete, he would, kasi I belong to a circle of friends din sa motorcycle world na ano din si
I take photos as well, yeah.
So, Tito Peter Carriedo would say na, yeah, I can understand Dennis's photos, I can understand D-Boy's photo, I can understand Martin's photo. But your photo, Alex, I cannot understand.
Is that a good thing?
For me, yes. Ako nga,
Uh,
don't stress yourself too much, Tito Pete.
Uh-huh.
You don't have to understand my photo.
Uh-huh.
As long as I understand my photo.
Yes, that's true. It's not for everyone.
Yes, exactly. Weird naman talaga yung mga kinukuha natin na yun. Talaga, weird. Diba? At first, I wasn't even interested in street photography. And then, the long run, ganda pala nito.
Pero.
So, yun. Street photography, and then, yun, mga laruan. My other hobby, collecting stuff.
So now, you did mention naman na you have toys. Can you tell us
Yes.
about those toys?
Iba-iba eh.
Ah.
Iba-iba. I had Gundams, where you're the one who's gonna build it.
Mga gunpla.
Yeah, Gunpla.
Ah.
Gunpla, and then I do have Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drives.
You had that?
Yeah.
Hantod ka ba?
Yes! Meron pa akong unopened, unbuilt. Meron akong Philippine edition, Philippine special. Hindi ko ginamit. I bought 2 of that kasi one is for collecting, one is for playing, for my kid to play with sa mga competition. Yun, meron na nun. And then I have die-cast collections. Yung mga Hot Wheels.
Yun yung mga
Comic
Matchbox.
Yeah, Matchbox. Marami na kasing brand ngayon eh. And then meron din akong figurines like Star Wars. Yeah, Star Wars.
Statues ba yung technical term nila?
Yeah, statues. Statues.
Kasi when you say figurines, what we had
Yung mabilya.
is katong mga ginagmay.
Yeah, actually, may mangot siya. Mga 3.75 or 3.25 inch lang ata siya kung ginakulit.
Pero ang technical term niya is statues.
Figures.
Figures.
Actually, figures.
Action figures.
Action figures.
Yeah. And these are all throughout your life. Parang you never stop.
Hindi, I stopped. Kasi we're not rich eh.
It does take.
Diba? So, merong naiwan na pagkabata sa akin na hang up ko is yung mga toys na gusto kong bilhin before na hindi ko kayang bilhin because
Money.
mayaman. Diba? No, mayaman namin. Just kidding. Ngayon, somehow, may means na rin.
Adult money na.
Karunong na rin mag-save. So, di ba? So yun, nabibili ko na yung mga gusto ko.
How much yung pinakamalaki mong nagastos when it comes to to your hobbies? Per hobby.
Siyempre, yung motor.
Ah,
Mahal ka ng motor.
magkano? Alam na asawa mo?
Oo.
Ah.
Mga 300,000 yung motor.
Yung motor pa lang. The
motor.
upgrades?
Wala naman masyadong upgrade kasi old school yung itsura ng motor ko eh. Hindi ko na kailangan i-upgrade. Kasi the more classic siya tingnan, the more,
Aside from motor, kasi syempre,
Ah.
course, that's true. It,
Yeah.
mahal jud siya.
yes.
Sa bike, sa Gundam, sa diecast, magkano yung pinakamahal na nagastos nimo? And then, has anyone questioned your spending habits when it comes to your hobbies? Kasi usually,
Of course, my wife would question me. Sino ba mo magko-question sa akin?
balik sa pagkabata. But, it's...
No, it's fun. It's fun. Yeah, it's fun.
Going back to my
Oh.
question, lahat ng expenses mo alam na asawa mo. Has she ever questioned na, bakit nagagastos ng ganito sa gantong hobby na to?
But what's good with me and my wife kasi, we don't meddle with each other's expenses when it comes to hobbies. Kasi may iba siyang trip eh. May trip din akong iba eh. But trip niyang manood ng mga concert, ng mga K-pop, kapapangit, di ba? So, hindi ko na isa pinagbabawalan.
So ma-K-pop si Mrs.
Oo.
Hindi mo kina-question yung mga expenses nila.
Well, she would buy those
Yung
right things. Mahal siya. Mahal siya. Tapos ko learn.
Yung tawag doon?
Light stick.
Light stick.
Yeah,
Ayan,
light stick.
no judgment din. Kasi nga,
Yun yung trip niya eh, di ba? Kanya-kanya tayo yung trip.
din
Kanya-kanya trip. May trip mo, ibang trip ko.
Ah,
So yun, as long as hindi lang nababawasan, natatouch yung budget. Sure lang. So,
have you
Yun-
never talaga na something rare na talagang kailangan na pero kulang yung pera mo? Na ipinangutang or bumawas ka sa budget for something else
nangutang ako.
just to buy it.
Nangutang ako.
So it happens talaga.
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi in a collector's mind
Oo.
and practice,
Oo.
especially may dumaan na sa harap mo, you really have to grab it kasi hindi lang ikaw ang may gusto niyan.
Okay.
Kasi if you don't grab the chance na you can get that item,
It'll pass you by.
hindi mo na makikita yan uli. Fat chance that you would see that item and on that price. Lalo na pag si-mail.
Pag naka-steal pricing.
Yes! Grabe, you really have to do. Tawag kang sa Ways and Means Committee.
Para lang mabili.
Tapos, ang reason talaga is, I need this.
Aha.
It's not, I want this. I need this.
Yun yung mindset.
Yes.
Oo.
So, by hook or by crook, dapat makuha.
And in your mind, is it justified na, gagastos ako ng 3,000 or something, or 1,500.
Kunyari, if ever na hindi ko nakuha sa scalper ko na kinuha. Yes.
It's justified.
For me.
Oo.
Ano?
What do you feel every time, let's say, gano'n, na the joy of buying it?
Wala, parang kumbaga, di ba, like, yes, success.
Aha.
I have mine.
Aha.
Ganun. So, marami man sila, pero at least meron na rin ako.
Oo.
Which, nasa collection ko din naman.
Oo.
Umabot pa talaga na nagpa-hunt ako sa States.
Just to be able to find one.
Yes.
Oo.
Pero if it brings you happiness, as long as it wouldn't affect the budget of your family, why not?
Aha.
At di ka mag-collect. Kasi di ba, like, life is too short for you to wail all afternoon, di ba? Like, there's a time na you have your me time ba? These are the things that I want that I haven't got when I was a kid. Not like before that you really have to wait for a special day. Di ba? Just for you to get. At hindi mo pa makukuha yung gustong-gusto mo. Kasi, of course, our parents would settle for a much cheaper alternative.
Yung
Pero
within the
what you like.
budget.
Tayo ngayon, kahit wala na sa budget, sa gusto natin, kaya lang natin, hanapan natin ng paraan. Yun yung advantage na din sa atin ngayon.
Sa mga new collectors and those who would want to start collecting things out of mga bagay na gusto nila ng pagkabata, Whether those are toys or anything na basically, what are your tips for them?
Basta dumating at dumaan yan sa harap mo, kunin na. No,
Enabler.
no kidding. No
Okay
kidding.
pa.
Kasi I've been there, done that na dumaan sa harap ko, and yet I would say, nah, I'll wait for next week if andyan pa siya, para sa akin siya. That's kinumagahan pa nga lang, nawala na kagad yun. Diba? So, it would really bring regret.
Grabe yung mahay.
Kaya nga, if you see it right in front of you, contact the Ways and Means Committee and get that thing kasi hindi na yan babalik sa'yo. So, before ka magmahay, kuhaan na diet. I've learned it the hard way.
Last question for Big Joe.
Okay.
Kanang
Science.
double the score. Science. No, how would you want to be remembered as Big Joe by your listeners? Buhay pa to ha?
A fun guy.
Fun guy.
A fun big brother on air. Yeah, siguro ka na. Anang buang-buang lang yun siya. Kanang, ay, pag ma-mention lang yun ako, kailan mo ni video? Wag katong buang lang to. Anak niya. Yeah. Maybe that's the time I can say that I was effective. I have touched their lives. Kasi they would relate na sa pagkabuang.
How do you define success as Big Joe, the media personality, and as a collector?
Success? Moi. You're looking at it.
I love that.
I was kikita ko successful. I consider myself successful. Hala ka niya. Kuy labot ninyo.
Oh yeah, depends on how you define success.
Yeah naman, oo. Yeah, I've done almost everything sa radyo. I wouldn't stay in this business if I haven't adapted. And as a collector, I've had my share of spending much. Pero it brings me happiness. And whenever I see those stuff that usay gani ka na ginabutan pa man lang ako siya sa kabox. Nasa kanang wala ko yung mabuhat, board ko, abrihan ako ng mga boxes. Hala na di ko ani. Hala na di ko ani. Oh my God, mo din katong panahon na. Anagan.
It's a different kind of happiness to rediscover things.
Pag maala ko na kong anak ko sa kuwago na, murag yung bata tayo, no? No, please. Ikaw, murag tiguwang. Basta do what you feel is right and that makes you happy. Like, do something where you're good at. And as a collector, collect some things na kaya nang pwede mo i-collect. And try to accept na there are things that you can get anymore. Kasi wala naman talaga siya na. Tapos yung production date niya. So, yun lang siguro. Acceptance. Yun lang. So, tomorrow.
Yeah, just yun na yung show, guys. But anyway, thank you for joining
us, ha? Our next episode. After Hours with Big Joe. Thank you so much, Sahara.
Thank you, Big Joe.
For gracing us.
Thank you for having me on the show.
Yeah, I hope you're happy.
Yeah, I am happy.
Alright, maraming salamat sa pag-invite. Goodfellas Media. Sana, di ba? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I thank you. Now for giving me the chance to be in this podcast. Actually, shy type talaga ako eh.
Tama yung shaking.
Anyway, thank you so much for the opportunity. And see you in the next episode.
Siya na nag-closing na. Thank you so much.
Go na!
For letting us have you on the show, it's been a fun show.
It's been my pleasure.
For sharing your story with us.
It was so nostalgic, by the way.
They get to talk about all these things. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this episode of After Hours. And again, for those who are watching, you can follow us on all our socials, Facebook, also YouTube,